Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Toy Collector. If you've seen my channel already, then welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. So today I will be unboxing Squishy Pals and Squishy Surprise, which they're the same, I guess. My Little Pony sticker activity surprise and surprise blind ball. I got all of these surprises from Dollar Tree, so yeah, if you want to know. Today's a sunny day. Of course, I don't need my light. Sadly, a disclaimer. We will be only unboxing one of the blind balls, which is gonna be this one. And this one, I'll post it on YouTube Shorts because I want you guys to see. It's a mystery. So, they're different. This one has a donut, this one has a cactus, this one has a shark, this one has a panda, and the unicorns are different. So yeah, that's why I'll be opening different. So bye bye. Also, the same disclaimer. Oh, I just serious right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'll also put this on shorts with the blind ball. So it flew out. Okay. So I'm gonna choose which one first. Okay, we will be unboxing the My Little Pony sticker activity surprise. I'll be opening it ASMR. My nails are gonna break. Oh. Okay, guys, this is really cute. You have to draw her. Oh my gosh, these are really cute. They just posted the new My Little Pony movie. I don't know, like a few months ago, but yeah. Okay, that's the activity sheet, and oh, this is the longest thing I've seen in my whole life. Hoof to heart. Oh, these are the stickers. They're really cute. You could get this in Dollar Tree, so you could get it. No need to go to Target or anything. Oh well, you can. Maybe you could get it in Target. Okay, that's surprise one. Which is that one. Oh. Sadly, wait. Let me try. Oh wait, there's another one. Never mind. I finished too early that one. I was like, oh my gosh, that was the shortest one. Oh, this one's like pink. Oh, her eyes. I'm creeped out right now. Fierce mode. Really cute. Okay, let me put. Guys, I am just suffering right now putting this in. So don't mind. Ugh. Ugh. I'm in pain. Oh, here we go. Okay, that's surprise one. Now let me try. Now the next surprise. Okay, so we're gonna be. I'm sad right now. There's no checklist on that one. Okay, who cares? Now we're gonna open surprise blind ball. I've never seen these. This one has a cactus, a unicorn, owl, a panda, a dinosaur, and a frog. So let's open it ASMR. Okay, it's pink again. No, I know who we got. I saw it. Oh, it's the frog. It's really soft, guys, and not squishy. But it does have this little hole here. Like, you see it? He's really cute, I guess, with a heart. But his nose, how is that a frog? Okay, it's really cute. Super soft. Oh my gosh, I think you could put a string through it and like stuff. Okay, little guy, go back there. Okay, that's our second surprise. Let's see, Squishy Pals, Squishy 2-pack. Oh, okay, so we got a turtle and an elephant. I don't get it. It's a light pink, and this is super dark pink. This is a green turtle, and where's the turtle? That's a frog, but that's a turtle. There's a blue turtle one. There's no green turtle. I don't get it. Okay, let's just open it. I feel like I messed up. Let's get it out peaceful. She came out not peaceful. That paper just flipped my camera almost. Are you having a laugh? Okay. So here's our turtle and here's our... Oh my gosh! They're actually really soft. I can buy myself flowers. Running in sand. I'm just vibing, okay? Like, they're kind of... This one's kind of oceany sand. This one's also watery. I can buy myself flowers. They are really cute. Like when you squish them. I wonder if they're glow in the dark, but I'll try that later. It's really squishy. So that's all our surprises. But let's decorate a little bit with the stickers. Activity sheet over there. Sorry. I'll do this one first. Okay. So which one should we put? Ooh, I think we should put this one. Wait, guys, I can't seem to take it out. Are these like impossible? Oh, okay. Chill now. I'll put it here. No, it didn't work. Come on. There we go. Now it covers up the holes. Let's see. Okay, we're just putting one sticker there, I guess. Okay, we could put this one. It's pretty cute. Yeah, we could put it here, I guess. Oh, where is it? Found it. There it is. It doesn't stick. This is a non-sticky one. Okay, there we go. Now the bottom part. Let's see. We could use the buttons. Yeah, we could use the buttons. They're really cute. Could also use this one after and this one. I covered the circles with that. Next, oh, actually instead we could use this one. It's like really giving me like vibes right now. It's giving me flower vibes. I can buy myself flowers. It's giving me that vibe right now. Okay, let me put it like here. Please fit, please fit. Yes. Okay, I'll just put those on. Let's see how it looks. Ugh. Camera. do right now. Okay, let me just open and put this stuff in there because I forgot to put them in again. Oh my gosh. Today is kind of not my day, but I'm okay with it. I'm not like suffering or anything. Okay, so I did say I was gonna not open those in this video, but I'm actually gonna open it because like I feel like I should and I shouldn't put it in YouTube Shorts. So like, yeah. Oh no, Froggy. So now let's ASMR open this one, and then the last one is Squishy Surprise. I'm excited about this one. So let's get started. Oh my gosh. This is not working today. Today is like barely a day. I guess I'll open this. Finally. Oh, it's not opening. Oh my gosh, guys, did you see what we just got? We actually got the unicorn. I was at least hoping for this one because, and there's no checklist. Great, I'm suffering right now. It's like, where is it? I hate this. Yeah, it's here. The unicorn is right there. She's blue. I wonder if it's rare or like something because she's like so pretty. She's like flying. And like it's really cute. But it's like I guess it's a little smaller. Like if you imagine, oh, it's actually the same size. But it's like the frog's bigger, I guess, because like it's like taller. But died. Oh no, it's not standing up anymore. Okay, so the unicorn goes in here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we got her. Oh my gosh, she's also heavy. How is she that heavy? If I grabbed her, she wasn't that heavy. Oh, this one's more higher. Okay. Okay, that one opened not that. Wait, let me guess what it is. Oh, we got the llama. Wait, it looks so different. But like, it's so shiny and stuff. Oh my gosh. And it comes with this, it's like a bracelet or something. It's not, okay. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could feel it through the camera. Try to see, like, do you see that it's like glowing in the lights? Oh my gosh. It's like, if we got the unicorn, I would be happy also. But wait, let me see if there's a checklist. Tell me if you see anything. Ooh, is that the checklist? Or is that just the front? Nope, it's not the front. And my camera almost fell down. I am sad. Ugh. It's so squishy. Okay. Oh, finally. There's a checklist at the back, I guess. But finally, I could use my marker. Ugh. Nope, wrong side. There's two sides of my marker. Ugh. Okay. Oh, my camera keeps on falling down, guys. I'm sorry about that. Let's see. Let's check her or him. I'll call her a her. Bro, it's so bumpy. Okay, so we got our llama. She is the softest thing. Wait, she's blue. Here, she's like a green color. Are you? Oh, and she has a horn? Oh, yeah, she does there. Wait. But where's the horn? That's the ear. Like, do you see that? there's a horn and there's an ear. Is this supposed to be like a unicorn llama? But like they actually never put the horn. Oh, this is the best squishy ever. I felt so fun. A little better than Squishmallows. Sorry, Squishmallows, you're the best, but I know. Like, yeah. And let's check off our other squish. So we've got, I'll take this out. Oh no, guys, I'm suffering from my fingers. My fingers are suffering. Okay, so we got this. We got the elephant. It's not working anymore for some reason. My marker's dead. Okay, we got the elephant. Let me get the other piece. We got the Oh, here. We got the turtle. Check it off. We got the turtle and the llama and the elephant. Those are our squishy pals. So, yeah. They are so cute. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And like, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And make sure... Okay, yeah, I'm confused. Yeah. So, thanks for watching this amazing video of unboxing blind balls and everything else that I unboxed. Thank you guys so much. If you want, you could go to my channel, Toy Collector, of course, and watch my shorts and my other videos. I'm gonna post a new video of a new short of my puppets. It's got like 25 views or something, I don't know, but I'm gonna make another one, and it's gonna be satisfying ASMR puppets. So, hope you guys go to my channel and watch the videos. Thanks for watching, bye!